In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install and use Google Chrome as a web browser here on your Steam Deck. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Start off on the home screen and then press the Steam button on your Steam Deck and then scroll down and you're going to see a library option right here. Open this up, and once you're in your library, scroll up to the top and move over to non-Steam. So scroll through here a little bit, go to non-Steam, and once you're in this non-Steam section right here, you're going to see an option that I've currently already done, and it's going to say non-Steam shortcuts. Simply hit add Chrome in this section. Now just wait for Google Chrome to download and install, and as soon as it's done, it's going to appear in your library like any other game or app. You can just open it up just like you would to launch a game, and it's going to take you to the Google homepage, and from here you can use the right trackpad to move the cursor, R2 to right click and L2 to left click, and if you need to type something, just press the Steam button and the X button at the exact same time, and that'll go ahead and open up your keyboard. And then you could use the trackpad to go ahead and move and select as well. It really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.